Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to update your personal information in the BBVA app, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the BBVA app on your phone and sign in with your credentials. Step 2. Tap on the menu icon, usually at the top left or bottom right corner depending on your version. Step 3. Scroll down and tap on Personal Details or My Profile. Step 4. You'll now see editable fields like your address, phone number, email, or ID details. Tap on the one you want to update. Step 5. Enter the new information and double-check for accuracy. Step 6. Tap Save or Confirm to apply the changes. The app may ask you to verify with a code or facial recognition. Tip: some changes like updating your ID or tax info may require uploading a document or waiting for approval. And that's it. You've now updated your personal information in the BBVA app. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.